Hello my munchkins, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oz, and I am the soap mage here at Oz's Apothecary, and today we are going to be making a Halloween themed soap, and I'm so excited. This is going to be out mid-October, and you can find this on my Etsy page and my Wix page, ozsapothecary.etsy.com and ozsapothecary.com. I'm just excited. And also, to add to the excitement, I got a new stick blender, and it's all fancy. It has multiple features, and it even comes with a whisk, which we're going to be using for another product in the future. Stay tuned to see that. Alright, so let's get started. What we're going to do is add our lye water solution. I'm going to go off the side this time since the stick blender is so thin. Alright, and the scent we're using today is Rustic Essentials Dark Chocolate. It's gonna be so smelly and so good. Alright. Alright, now we're going to separate this into 2 equal portions, and you will see why in just a moment. Alright, so to this one, we're going to add black oxide. And this black oxide is from TKB Trading. Alright, so for the next one we're going to use Saffron Orange, and this is from Julescent, and I got this off of Amazon. Alright, so we're going to go from light color to dark color. Alright, so now I've set up a rig here. It's not really a rig, but I'm using my laptop cooling thing to set everything up at an angle so that when I pour the soap, it's on a bias. Alright, so we're going to start with the black first. I am So excited for this soap. There may be some cleaning up after we cut it that I have to do, but other than that, this is going to look so amazing. Alright, and then we're going to go in with the orange. Totally displaced, so it's gonna look not exactly like what I wanted it to look, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna let these two layers actually set up, and we can see if I can get a similar design achievement going. I will see you guys soon. What I've done is I've layered black, orange, black, and what I'm going to do now is add a mica line of glitter in the middle, and then I'm going to let it harden. I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to finish filling in with the rest of the colors. Alright. This is so fun. It's literally filling the room with glitter. And who doesn't love glitter? I'm not sure if this is going to show up, but we'll see. Actually, let's just do this. That'll be noticeable. Ah, it looks beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to bring us back to when all of the layers are done, and I'm going to show you what's next in store. Now that the layers are all set up, I'm going to spray the top with a little bit more glitter. And then, since this is Halloween and chocolate themed, I made these little chocolate embeds. They're all glittery too. So I'm going to insert these, and then I also made these monster embeds. Got monsters with horns, and little green monsters, blue monsters, orange monsters. So I'm going to insert them as well. So let's do this. Oh, we lost one. So this is actually the first time I'm working with embeds. So we'll see how this works out. I'm excited to see what happens. Alright, so now that the embeds are in, I am going to see you in 24 to 48 hours, and we'll know what these look like. So it's been about 24 hours and our soap is ready to be cut. So let's get to it. Trying to line this up so that I don't hit the embeds. It smells so chocolatey. And that's what it looks like. I think that's so cool. So I'm going to clean these up after they get harder. Oh, look at the mica line. Can you see it? I'm excited. Let's see some more of them. I'm always excited when it comes to soap, especially when things turn out to plan. That's just beautiful. I'm really proud of these guys. Alright, so make sure you let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to make. Like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!